Hello my beautiful friends, today I'm so excited to show you guys how to make this beautiful maternity sash. It's really easy and simple to do. Okay, so for this easy DIY, I bought all my supplies at Hobby Lobby. You definitely don't have to use the same color that I'm using. But this is for one of my friends and she doesn't know what she's having. So we decided to go with this beautiful off-white. So if you know the gender of your baby, then you can either change the color to blue or pink. Let's begin with the supply list. Fabric flower, ribbon 84 inches long, spool or pearl, craft felt, hot glue gun, scissor, and a lighter. What I'm doing now is removing all the supplies from their original package. And then I'm gonna start playing with the flower to see how I want them to look. Actually, when I'm at the store and I'm choosing my flowers, that is when I choose how I want them to look. So what I'm doing now is cutting a piece of felt just about an inch thicker than my ribbon. The reason that I'm doing this is because if I try to glue the flower on top of my ribbon, I wouldn't have enough room to glue the flowers. Also, you want to remove any hardware on the back of your flowers, because you want them to sit as flat as they can on your felt or ribbon. Okay, so this is the tricky part. You want to be able to glue the flower to the felt or ribbon without gluing the flower petal to each other. Also, make sure to glue the flower close to each other, overlapping them just a little bit. You want to make sure to use enough glue without gluing the flower to each other. All you want to do is glue the flower to the felt or the ribbon. Make sure to press the flower down after every glue application. You want to make sure the flower is completely glued to the felt. When you are done gluing the flower to the fabric, flip it around and make sure you cut any extra fabric that you don't want. And finish gluing around the edges of the fabric. Now flip the flowers around and make sure that you cannot see any of the felt through the other side. If you do, add a little bit of hot glue and press the flowers together. So for the pearl, I just play around with them and see how long I want them to be. Also, you have to figure out if you want them to lay on top of the flowers or in between the petals. I decided that I wanted mine to be all the way to the back. So I raise the flower petals and make sure I can find a little bit of the felt and glue it down. Now get the ribbon and fold it in half. I use the hot glue gun to mark where the center of the ribbon is. Now get the sash and place it half and half over the center of the ribbon. Now get your hot glue gun and start gluing the flower sash over the ribbon. You might want to flip the flower sash in order to finish gluing the ribbon to the flower sash. And with a lighter, burn the ends of the ribbon. This will prevent the ribbon from coming apart. So at this point, you can say you are done with your maternity sash. But because this is a gift for my friend, I'm gonna go a step forward and make it look a little bit more professional. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just covering the back of the maternity sash with my remaining felt, and I'm gonna glue it down. After it's all glued down, I'm gonna cut it around and make it look pretty. As you can see, this looks way better. It looks more clean and professional.